Okay guys, 2024 Toyota 4Runner. Show you how to replace the cabin air filter. Open up your glove box right here, pull these pieces down, and then these you're going to be pushing in to remove it. And that right there is your cabin air filter. So you can just pop it out, look at it, see if it needs replaced. This one definitely does. I don't have one on me right now, so I'm gonna have to order it. I'm gonna post one in the description in the comments. That's a pretty good deal. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.